Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, make your PC faster in minutes. Clear cache and junk files 2025 guide. First step is clear prefetch files. Delete all files and folders. Second step is clear temp folder. Third step is delete %temp% folder. Fourth step is disk cleanup. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.